Okay, today folks, I'm going to teach you how to remove a broken dipstick. First of all, I got a few tools here. One of them is going to be my handy dandy .co, and I'm going to start drilling inside this thing that's broken. I'm just trying to get part of the shaft that's in there so I can grab it with a pair of vice grips.
This is ready.
Okay folks, here I am with my .co. I'm going to have to do a little digging inside this plastic, so this is kind of precision grinding. Oh, this piece I think I've already, this bit I've already taken too far, so I'm going to replace it. For safety, I'm going to take off the power line. Here we go, watch this. Take this off, add a new one on. This is going to have a little more grind on the tip. Okay. Good to go. Take the dot tool off. With any luck, I'm going to be able to grab it with these pliers. Talk about success. Watch this, folks. This is the old one that the tip had broken off. There it is. I've got a replacement part that I'm going to put in. It's going to get here any second now. Okay, so folks, this is what I did. I grinded the tip off and I was able to expose part of this metal shaft here. I grabbed it with the vice grips and was able to pull it out. Man, did I get lucky. I'm not joking. This probably would have cost the owner some bucks. Anyways, here's my new one. We picked this up at the dealership. It looked like it picked up at AutoZone for $8. Can you believe it? $8. I got myself a brand new dipstick. Cheers.